We're staying in the modifying objects.dwg file, and what we're going to have a look at now are the break and join commands that are available to you in AutoCAD when you're working and editing your AutoCAD drawing. Now, you'll notice that we've got two offices there with some nice desks and chairs and so on, but there's no way of getting from one office to the other. So we need an adjoining door. Now, the good thing is we've got some doors already and they're AutoCAD blocks, so we can copy one of these very quickly. So I'm going to select this door here, right click, copy selection, and I'm going to pick this point here. Now, if you want to zoom in and get a bit closer, you can see it's where the door touches the corner of the door opening, like so. And you can see there it is ready to copy. Zoom out again and pan a little, and we're going to just place it somewhere along this wall here. Now, you'll notice when I hover on the wall there, I'm getting the end point. That's because the nearest snap is not switched on. I can use my override snaps though. So I can right click, go to snap overrides and select nearest there on the override snap menu. And now I can pick any point along the wall. So just come down towards the bottom of the wall. It doesn't have to be an exact distance, and click there like so, and then enter to finish the copy command. Now, we need to break our wall line to fit the door so that we can create a door opening. Just before we do that, make sure that we're on the right layer, which is going to be the eye wall layer, like so. And then zoom in nice and close so you can see what you're doing. Now, the break commands are on the Modify Flyout menu. So click on the Flyout on the Modify panel and pin it open like we've done before. And we want this command here, break between 2 points. And as you can see with the little fly out there, it shows you that it will leave a gap. So I click on break between 2 points like so, and it prompts me to select the object. So I select the line, but then don't just go picking the second breakpoint. Can you see it's going to break it where you selected the line? You need to right click and go first point first, which will be this point here where you've placed the door, which you'll notice is the center snap of the arc that makes up the door. And then the second break point is at the end of the arc there. So you click there like so. And can you see you've formed a nice door opening there like so by using the break command. Now what you want to do is just draw a couple of short lines. So using the line command now, you go from this end point, drag it across using your tracking there and click and enter to finish. And again, you do the line command again from this point here, do the same process to the intersection there and click there and enter to finish. Now the quickest way to tidy that up is to go to trim and use the select all option by pressing enter and just click there. And can you see you get rid of that line there as well. Enter to finish, and you've now got a door opening nice and neat and tidy going between the two offices. So that's utilizing the break command. Now we also want to utilize the join command. So leaving the modify flyout open because join is right there and we have used it previously very quickly, I'm going to pan across, and what I want to do is I want to draw two lines on the eye wall layer from this end point here, keeping it horizontal, take it all the way across. You might need to zoom in just to get there on the intersection. Click there like so and enter to finish. Pan upwards slightly, same again, another line using this end point going across. When you get the intersection there, click again and enter to finish. Now, if I zoom out a bit, you'll notice that I've got a line there and a line there, and the same below, line and line. I need to join those two together so that I can form one continuous line forming that wall. So there's the join command. I click on it, I select that line and enter, and you'll see that that is now one line. Same with the line below, join command again, that line, and enter to finish. And they're now complete lines, and you can see that that wall goes nicely around the lift shaft there. Now, what I have done is I have actually blocked the opening there to the lift shaft, and you can tidy that up, obviously using break and join again when you work in your AutoCAD drawing.